Welcome back to Dobo Bear.
Question 1. Which fruit is green outside and red inside? Correct answer is watermelon. Question 2. What fruit grows on this tree? Correct answer is coconut. It's a coconut tree. Question 3. What fruit grows on this tree? Correct answer is banana. It's a banana tree. Question 4. Which fruit is yellow or green in color and has spiky skin? Correct answer is pineapple. Question 5. Which fruit is brown outside and green inside? Correct answer is kiwi. Question 6. Which of the following fruits grows near the sea? Correct answer is B. Coconut. Question 7. Choose the fruit having the smallest seed from the following. Correct answer is A. Kiwi. Question 8. Which of the following fruits has more than one seed? Correct answer is D. Orange. Question 9. Choose the fruit having the biggest seed from the following. Correct answer is B. Mango. Question 10. Which of the following fruits is not round in shape? Correct answer is D. Pineapple. Question 11. Choose the smallest of the following fruits. Correct answer is C. Strawberry. Question 12. Which of the following fruits has only one seed? Correct answer is B. Cherry. Question 13. Which of the following fruits grows in the desert? Correct answer is C. Date. Question 14. Which fruit has a hard shell outside and water inside? Correct answer is coconut. Question 15. Which fruit do monkeys eat in cartoons? Correct answer is banana. Question 16. Which fruit is green in color and very sour? Correct answer is lime. Question 17. Which of the following fruits grows in hot weather? Correct answer is C. Watermelon. Question 18. What fruit grows on this tree? Correct answer is date. It's a date palm tree. Question 19. Choose the biggest of the following fruits. Correct answer is C, papaya. Question 20. Which fruit is shaped like a heart? Correct answer is strawberry. Question 21. Which fruit is small, round, and blue in color? Correct answer is blueberry. Question 22. Which of the following fruits grows on cool places like hills? Correct answer is D, apple.
Thanks for watching. If you like our work, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.